How to enable circle to search feature in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable circle to search special feature in your Android device. So if you want to enable this feature, the first thing that you will need to make sure is that it is actually present for your Android device. So how you can do this is by simply going to the settings of your Android device, and then you will need to scroll down and click on system and update. Now from here you can simply go to system navigation by clicking here, and at the system navigation it will be a particular toggle that says circle to search. Touch and hold the home screen button or the gesture guide bar to start searching for content on the screen. So you will need to make sure that this setting is enabled, and now let me show you how you can enable this or use the circle to search. So for that, for being it a smoother experience, I will be switching to buttons, and then I will gonna hold this middle button like this, and now you can see that the circle to search has been enabled. Now I can simply circle any particular object and it will reverse search that particular image onto the Google and also give its AI overview. So that's how easily you can enable circle to search feature in your Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.